How to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on display. So if you want to fix the WhatsApp incoming call not showing on display problem, then what you need to do is first you need to go with updates. So if you have any updates with your WhatsApp application, you can simply open up your Play Store and go with search and search for WhatsApp application. Once you've searched here, you will have the application, right? So you just need to simply go and update if you have any updates. So I've recently updated and I don't have any updates. But if you have any updates, you can update and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp. Go with the app info option. Once you're under the app info, now the next main thing that you need to check is permissions. You need to go with permissions, and under permissions, if you've allowed the call logs, contacts, microphone, and photos and videos and SMS, you need to allow all of these permissions. Once you allow these permissions, then go back and then try receiving a call and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and then restart. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp incoming call not showing on display. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.